Okay then folks, it's the final station of the session and it's Deighton Railway Station, and kicking us off is 185 115 with 1319 Transpennine Express service from Leeds through to Huddersfield. Next to fly through the station is 802 204, working 9 Echo 12 for Transpennine Express from Liverpool Lime Street through to Newcastle. Also flying fast through the station for Transpennine Express is 802 214, working 1P22 from Scarborough through to Manchester Victoria. Flying fast through the station for Northern is 150 211, working 2 Whiskey 14 from Huddersfield through to Bradford Interchange. Arriving next into the station is 185 150, working the 1344 Transpennine Express service from Manchester Piccadilly through to York. Flying fast through the station is 185 111, working 1P75 for Transpennine Express from Manchester Airport through to Redcar Central. Flying fast through the station for Transpennine Express 6 minutes late is 802 205, working 9 Mike 12 from Newcastle through to Liverpool Lime Street. Next arriving into the station is 185 115, working the 1353 Transpennine Express service from Huddersfield through to Leeds. And departing in the opposite direction is 185 102, with the 1350 Transpennine Express service from York through to Manchester Piccadilly. Next flying fast through the station is 185 145 and 185 137, working 1K21 from Liverpool Lime Street through to Hull. Next up flying fast through the station is 185 140 and 185 110, running 6 minutes late with 1P72 from Redcar Central through to Manchester Airport. Next up flying fast through the station for Northern is 150 270, working 2 Whiskey 17 from Bradford Interchange through to Huddersfield. My 4-engine jets are popular. Lofty 747. Next to fly fast through the station is 185 113, working 1P27 from Manchester Victoria through to Scarborough. Red card, Trainspotting Express. You do not interrupt the filming of the Lofty 747 in the history of error. I mean in the history of error. And to take us on to our next station and on our way home is 150 006 with the 1422 Northern service of Leeds through to Huddersfield. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.